All right, you guys, today we're going to be making a death by chocolate shake. This is a favorite in our house because we are all chocolate lovers. And to make this today, what we're going to use is we're going to use the Formula One Healthy Meal in Dutch chocolate. We're going to use the protein base in chocolate. And it's really important that those two go together to make your shake just right. And then we also have lots of other chocolate things. We have some chocolate goodies for the topping. We have some basic, I think this is even just the store brand chocolate pudding, sugar-free chocolate pudding. And for the topping, we have some syrups and some whipped cream in a can. All right, so, also we have 2 cups of ice. We're gonna put in just a basic home blender and 3/4 of a cup of water in there. And then we're just gonna add everything else in. I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon of the chocolate pudding mix, a level teaspoon. And I know what you guys are thinking because we think it here a lot too, and that is that if a little is good, a lot's probably better, and that's not what you wanna do to your shake. So 1 level teaspoon of the sugar-free pudding, and leave it at that. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna do 2 scoops of our protein base, and 2 scoops of the healthy meal. And then we're gonna blend this up, and the blend time, you guys, is really the secret to get the texture that you want. And so you wanna just keep blending, probably in a standard blender like this, at least a full minute. And when you shut the blender off and start it again, make sure you don't hear any ice hitting the blades. If you don't hear any ice hitting the blades, then you're probably good to go and you'll be super happy with your texture. Okay, we got this all blended up. Should look about like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make these pretty because I really like sexy shakes. So we've just picked up a sleeve of these to-go cups to make life simple. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of the chocolate syrup right inside the cup. Now I'm gonna pour about half of my shake in there. You'll see why, oops, a little more than a half. That's okay. Pour that in there. Now I've got this whipped topping. We're gonna make it fun. So I'm just gonna put a little bit around the edges here, just like that. A little bit more syrup around the edge, just like that. And put the rest of your shake in on top. You wanna get all of the shake out. At least I do. All right, so you see how we have just a little bit of mess in there? That's what we're going for. Now we're going to do the sugar-free whipped topping on top. And what I have here is some Oreo style cookies that I've just scooped the centers out of, and I threw that away and crumbled up these. And again, you guys, more is not better when it comes to these shakes and putting things in them. So I'm just gonna take a teaspoon of these crumbles and put them on top just to be pretty. And I'm gonna take a pinch. So these are mini chocolate chips. So I've got maybe 8 or 10 mini chocolate chips in here. I'm gonna put those on the side just so I can see them. And a little bit of drizzle of some caramel syrup on top. Mess it up like that. And there you go.